Taiyuan and Jingzhong leverage digital technology to enhance agricultural production, deeply integrating industry and technological innovation to support rural revitalization. Across Shanxi, initiatives focus on the trade-in of durable goods such as cars and appliances, continuously promoting the trading action. Located in the west of Yangquan City, Dayangquan Village, established during the Northern Song Dynasty, is the origin of Yangquan City and one of Shanxi's well-preserved ancient villages. Today, we explore this authentic millennium-old village and experience its renewed vitality through preservation and development. Hello and welcome to Exploring Shanxi. I'm Zhang Yingyi. Developing new quality productive forces in agriculture is crucial for high-quality agricultural development. Taiyuan and Jingzhong are fully committed to the high-tech agriculture approach, vigorously implementing the special and excellent strategies. By leveraging digital technology to enhance agricultural production, they deeply integrate industry and technological innovation to support rural revitalization.
这里是山西阳区农投现代农业科技示范产业园，在我身后就是11万平方米的玻璃温室，里面种满了各式各样的番茄。
These tomatoes were freshly picked by workers from the greenhouse this morning. Using refrigerated logistics trucks, we ensure the fruit reaches its sales destination fresh. The demand for orders exceeds supply.
Despite their small size, these tomatoes target a mid to high-end market with their high quality. Advanced planting and management techniques have become their passes to success in the market.
The hanging soilless cultivation method allows for more efficient nutrient supply and storage.
Extended growth cycles have prolonged the harvesting period of cherry tomatoes, increasing yields. The use of integrated water and fertilizer systems is controlled by a smart brain, ensuring efficient irrigation and fertilization. Data collection devices scattered throughout the greenhouse, along with external meteorological stations, continuously gather various agricultural production environment data inside and outside the greenhouse. These data are uploaded to the control room's IoT system. Simultaneously, real-time adjustments to the crop's growth environment ensure optimal conditions, automatically adjusting fertilizer and water ratios to ensure crops are well nourished during critical growth stages. With the installation of digital engines in modern agriculture, both quality and yield have been significantly boosted. These 3 glass greenhouses generate an annual revenue of 80 million yuan, or about $12 million.
这里是位于太谷的山西东辉现代农业产业园，在我身后的大棚里边，火龙果这种典型的南方水果，通过先进的农业技术，成功实现了南果北种。
The harvesting period extends until December and January, with an average yield per mu, or about 0.067 hectares, ranging from 5,000 to 6,000 kilograms.
Being able to grow southern fruits in the north is made possible by the application of advanced movable membrane structure greenhouses, creating a climate environment suitable for crop growth. Simultaneously, an efficient integrated water and fertilizer system ensures optimal growth conditions and sufficient nutrition for dragon fruit. Not only are southern fruits now growing in the north, but the park has also introduced a trial cultivation of new crop varieties from foreign countries. This initiative has achieved modernization of production facilities, standardization of production operations, digitalization of production management, and factory-like production processes. In recent days, various regions in Shanxi have focused on the trade-in of durable consumer goods, such as cars and household appliances, continuously promoting the trade-in action. At a car sales company in Shuozhou City, sales staff members are introducing vehicle features and discount offers to citizens.
I heard that the government's subsidies for cars are substantial this year, so I came here to take a look.
The car consumption subsidy program in Shuozhou City includes 45 vehicle brands, covering a variety of models such as sedans, SUVs, and new energy vehicles.
With the government's continuously increasing support, sales have been sharply rising during this period.
Since the beginning of this year, Shuzhou City has united efforts between government and enterprises, implementing car purchase subsidy policies through consumer vouchers and promotional activities, allowing consumers to enjoy discounted subsidies. In Yangquan City, a complete closed-loop system of exchange plus recycling for household appliances has been established by integrating recycling and trading channels. Citizen Tian Ruiyuan, upon learning about a trading policy, placed an order via phone and had his old appliance collected at his doorstep in less than 2 hours.
Now we can directly place orders on our phones. We waited at home for the new washing machine to be delivered, which is very convenient.
Subsequently, these discarded household appliances are scientifically sorted and then transported to specialized recycling enterprises. At one such facility, a newly introduced fully automated refrigerator dismantling line can meticulously dismantle over 1,000 discarded appliances per day. Simultaneously, it can sort out more than 40 tons of recyclable materials for reuse.
We can provide downstream enterprises with recyclable materials, achieving a second use rate of over 99.9% for all dismantled components.
Yangquan Village is one of Shanxi's well-preserved and grand Asian villages, also the ancestral home of Yangquan City. Today, let's step into this authentic millennium-old village and experience the vitality it radiates through preservation and development efforts.
眼前的这个小村落就是大阳泉村。相传古时村中多处井水自平地涌出，故名漾泉，谐音阳泉。今天的阳泉市也因此得名。从空中俯瞰，整个村子就像龟背图形。村里的老人们说，这样的布局象征着长寿吉祥。
大阳泉古村的空间格局是由1条主街和24条支巷共同组成的，可以说街街相触，巷巷连环。334米长的主街串联起了全村99座民居院落。
沿着骨干主街两旁，错落有序地排列着明清时期的40多家商业店铺，所有店面院落是一色的砖木结构房子，一样的一脊两手，猫头滴水，依稀可见当年的繁华。这里就是明清时期晋东商贸的集散地，也是远近闻名的 CBD。
古香古色的挺好的嘛，我们都喜欢这样的。
就在这条喧闹的古街上，有一座明清时期的古学堂——义学堂。义学堂最初是私塾学堂，后捐作全村的公益学堂。前些年，这里被社会力量认领，经过重新保护修缮，朗朗读书声如今又回荡在这座100年学堂。
严伟曾在外地当过17年语文教师，3年前他选择回到家乡，在这里创办了一席书院，名字就取自古语“听君一席话，胜读10年书”。每月1次的一席读书，让这里成为了古村落里的文化新地标。
因为这个书房是公益开放的，我们有23项非遗的课程，小处着眼，去真真正正的普及性的文化的工作，这是我一直在希望吧、憧憬的事情。
That's all of today's Exploring Shanxi. Before we go, don't forget